tell you. I once shoved an M80 up my nose just to impress the lady types.
Oh, that's nothing. I once ate an entire bowl of M200s at my family reunion.
Oh, yeah? Well, I married an M300.
They don't make a 300.
Oh, 250?
No.
Elephant?
Up.
Hey, guys. Happy fireworks.
Homestar, that's not what the holiday's called.
Marzipan's still out of town for the summer, eh, Homestar?
No, what are you talking about?
Yes, I'm still out of town, Bugs. You gorgeous hunk of man.
Oh, why, thank you, Cardboard Marzipan.
Hey, Cardboard Marzi, you want in on some of this action?
No, you're disgusting.
What's taking these fireworks guys so long anyways? I got peoples to rip off. Oh, I don't know what I was thinking when I agreed to let you make your homemade fireworks, Strong Mad. We'll get to the oohing and ahhing soon enough. But first, we gotta go straight to Plan G. Wait for it, and pull!
Ooh.
It's amazing!
I think fireworks promote violence.
Shut up, Marzipan.